Chaos back at it, and I can the backhand 'em. Have you flowing up Shit's Creek, you better pack paddles. I don't rap battle, I would rather axe battle. While up Uncle Jack Daniels picking a fight with Kung Fu Pandas. This world I'm about to capture, when I'm doing, gonna smash it. When I'm coming through, first reaction, make a move. Who you think you are, you fuck with me, you're gonna lose. Go so hard on these bars, make you fucking leave a bruise. Welcome to the city where the women show their titties like they live in Magic City. And they do it for the money, but we only hand them pennies. Talking problems when I had plenty to solve them. I drank Henny, your parties will never ending. Late nights I having fun, getting drunk till I felt numb. Looking back to the shit I done, man, this shit was dumb. Trying to smarter, but noticing I'm too young to give a fuck. So put your feelings on the dump. I'm a champ, use a jump, and you can have it if you want. You think you're slick, you isn't, bitch. Fuck with me and you get stopped. Leave you swimming in the swamp with the dead fishes. Dead bitches.